In this video, we'll create our users. Before you can do this step, you first need to approve for G Suite for Education. When you first signed up, your request for G Suite for Education was automatically sent to Google's approval team, and you should receive an email from esupport@google.com with further instructions. Once you complete the approval process, you'll be able to add users to your domain and assign them to organizational units. There are a number of ways to add users, but today we are going to add multiple users in bulk using a CSV files. From the Admin Console homepage, go to Users. You'll see at the top of the page a link for bulk upload users. Click that. In this box, you'll be able to see first to download a blank CSV template. You'll want to make sure to download this, as this template will have the correct format that you'll need to be able to upload the CSV. I've already downloaded the template and open it up here. You'll see the file has columns for the attributes that can appear in each user's profile. Profiles appear in Admin Console and User Context Manager. For each user that you want to add, enter the information in these columns in the spreadsheet. First name, last name, email address, and you want to follow the format username@yourdomain.com. Password by default must be at least 8-digit characters long, but you can change that settings in the Admin Console. Finally, you'll want to enter the organizational unit path. For this, you can use / to represent the root top-level OU or / name to represent a sub-OU. In this case, I've got / staff for my staff sub-OU and just / for my root OU. Now, this is optional, but you can fill out other column if you like. Otherwise, you can just leave them blank. For additional information on formatting, for example, if you want to use multiple email addresses, please see Google's Help Center article that is linked from Google Quick Start IT Setup Guide. Now, once you fill out the spreadsheet, you'll want to save it back as CSV file. Now please note that maximum file size for one CSV upload is 35 megabytes. The maximum number of records per file is 150,000. If you are using CSV to upload more users than that, you can split them across multiple CSVs. Once you've downloaded your file, back in the Admin Console, you can click the Attach CSV button to add your file. When you are ready, click Upload. The task list should open automatically and show the progress of the upload. Once processing is complete, you'll receive an email report. If there is an error in the upload, you'll be able to download a log file with details, and you can go back to your CSV and fix any issues or enter any missing information. For more information on common errors with CSV upload, please see our Help Center article on adding user with CSV, or you can always contact support. Now, once you are done uploading user, it might take up to 24 hours for your new user to have access to G Suite services and appear in Global Directory. And in our next video, we'll go over how to enable service for these users so they can get started using G Suite right away.